Yes,
Visible? My screen?
visible.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rahim, today is 8 July 2025, and today we are going to learn about topik digital literacy. So, as usual, Mufid can read after me ya, for the noun, verb, and then the adjective.
Yes.
Okay, for the noun. Noun,
Uh,
yes,
Autonomy,
autonomy,
kemandirian,
kemandirian,
environment,
yes,
lingkungan,
oke,
feedback, umpan balik, apa nih?
oh,
Ownership,
ownership,
kepemilikan,
oke,
strategy,
strategy,
strategi,
oke,
collaboration,
kalau
kolaborasi, uh, flu,
fluency,
apa?
fluency,
Fluency, fluency, kefasihan, access, akses, connectivity, connect, ke apa? Dah? Keterhubungan,
penghubungan.
innovation, inovasi, application, aplikasi atau penerapan, platform,
Platform,
media,
efisiensi,
efisiensi, efisiensi, in,
inisiatif,
oh
inisiatif,
inisiatif, inisiatif, interaction, interaksi,
participation,
participation, partisipasi, motivation, motivasi, progress, kemajuan, assessment, penilaian, navigation, penjelajahan.
okay, so
Betul.
can you read only the English?
Oke. Autonomy, environment, feedback, ownership, strategy, collaboration, fluency,
Fluency,
assess, connective, hmm?
yes,
Connectify, innovation, application, platform, efficiency, ini- initiative, interaction, participation, motivation, progress, assessment, navigation.
okay, good. So what's the meaning of ownership in Indonesia?
Kepemilikan
What's the meaning of application?
aplikasi atau penerapan.
How do we say kemajuan in English?
Progress,
How do we say kefasihan in English?
eh, apa tadi, Miss?
Kefasihan.
Fluency,
And the last, how do we say interaksi in English?
interact, inter,
In
interaction.
okay, interaction. Good ya. So let's move on to verb. You can follow me ya. I I read first and then you can follow me. Okay? Navigate,
Navigate,
menjelajahi,
menjelajahi atau navigasi.
facilitate,
Facilitate, memfasilitasi.
engage,
Engage, terlibat.
collaborate,
Collaborate, kerjasama.
demonstrate,
Demonstrate, menunjukkan.
enhance,
Enhance, meningkatkan.
promote,
Promote, mempromosikan.
empower,
Empower, memberdayakan.
foster,
Foster, membina, membutuhkan.
participate,
Participate, berpartisipasi.
connect,
Connect, menghubungkan.
communicate,
communicate, berkomunikasi,
evaluate,
evaluate, mengevaluasi,
develop,
develop, mengembangkan,
implement,
implement, menerapkan,
adapt,
adapt, menyesuaikan,
reflect,
reflect, merefleksikan atau merenungkan,
encourage,
encourage, mendorong,
inspire,
inspire, menginspirasi,
support.
support, mendukung,
Okay, now is your turn to learn to read only the English.
navigate,
Okay,
facilitate,
okay.
engage,
Engage,
collaborate,
yes, collaborate,
engage, demonstrate, enhance, promote, empower, foster, participate, connect,
connect,
communicate,
yes, communicate,
evaluate, develop, implement, adapt, reflect,
reflect,
encourage,
reflect,
inspire,
yes,
reflect,
yes, encourage,
encourage, inspire, support.
support. Okay.
Yeah.
What's the meaning of empower? Empower.
What miss?
Empower. What's the meaning of
Empower,
empower?
empower,
Empower.
memperdayakan,
Yes. What's the meaning of
memberdayakan,
develop?
develop, mengembangkan,
How do we say bekerja sama in English?
collaborate,
How do we say meningkatkan in English?
meningkatkan, enhance,
And the
enhance,
last, what's the meaning of inspire?
inspire, menginspirasi.
Okay, let's move on to adjective ya. So adjective, what is adjective? Noun is kata benda, verb kata kerja, and then the adjective is
Adjektif,
kata,
kata sifat,
yes, kata sifat. Okay, you can follow me ya. Self-directed,
self-directed,
yes, mandiri
mandiri.
atau belajar sendiri.
Ya,
Next, interaktif,
interaktif, interaktif,
accessible,
accessible, dapat diakses,
personalized,
personalize, disesuaikan secara pribadi,
global,
global, global, mendunia,
supportive,
sportif, mendukung,
efisien,
efisien, efisien,
engaging,
engaging, menarik atau melibatkan,
inovatif,
inovatif, inovatif,
real time,
real time, langsung, seketika,
autonomous,
autonomous, mandiri atau otonom,
motivated,
motivated, termotivasi,
reliable,
reliable, dapat diandalkan,
kreatif,
kreatif, kreatif,
tech savvy,
tech savvy, melek teknologi,
konsisten,
konsisten, konsisten,
relevan,
relevan, relevan,
practical,
practical, praktis,
dynamic,
dynamic, dinamis,
researchful.
resourceful, banyak akal,
Okay, now it's your turn. Read the English.
self-directed,
Yes.
interaktif,
Okay, good.
accessible, personalized, global, supportive, efficient, engaging, innovative, real-time, autonomous, motivated, reliable,
Reliable.
reliable,
Yes.
reliable, creative, teach savvy,
Tech savvy.
or tech savvy,
Yes.
consistent, relevant, practical, dynamic, resourceful.
Researchful. Okay.
Resourceful.
I wanted to ask what's the meaning of supportive?
Mendukung,
What's the meaning of self-directed?
mandiri.
What's the meaning of tech savvy?
Right, Miss?
Tech savvy.
Savvy melek teknologi.
How do we say mandiri atau otonom?
Ya.
Mandiri atau otonom? How do we say mandiri atau otonom?
Autonomous,
How do we say consistent in English?
consistent, consistent.
Okay. Anyway, is it my voice unclear or is too low?
Ya, no,
No. Okay. My voice is good?
ya.
Okay. Do you have any question before I next the another slide? Do you have any question?
Hmm.
Maybe the pronunciation or the meaning is all good for this slide? Adakah pertanyaan?
Hmm.
No?
Interesting.
Okay. Can we next?
Ya,
Next. Next, there is a text for the topic digital literacy. And the title is Empowering Learners Through Digital Education. So, can you read this? The text? Are you there?
oke.
Okay. For the title first.
Powering learners through digital
Through,
education.
through,
Huh?
empowering
Through
learners through digital education. Okay.
empowering learners through digital education. The
Okay.
digital era has changed how students access education.
Okay.
With the help of technology, learning is no longer limited to the classroom.
Okay.
Students can study anytime and anywhere using digital tools like ebook, apps, and online platform.
Okay.
The flexibility allows students to learn at their
Their
own
own.
pace and develop independence.
Okay.
They can choose the method that suit
That's
them
it.
best
Then
and review
material.
materials
Whenever.
whenever needed.
Okay.
Technology gives them more
Give them.
control over their learning
Okay.
journey.
Okay. However, this
However, digital learning also
requires
require,
requires
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 hmm,
okay discipline
discipline,
without
without clear schedules.
schedules.
Students
Schedules.
schedules
Yes, students.
schedules. Students must manage their time and stay focused. Support from teacher and parents is still important to guide and motivate them.
Technology
Technology also encourages
encourage
collaboration through,
through
through,
through
through, through
ya
virtual
betul.
project
Like
and online
discussion.
discussion. Students learn to communicate,
Okay.
share ideas, and solve problems together, skills that are essential for their future careers.
Okay. This and this the pronunciation is true. True. Can you
Mhm.
can you follow me? True.
True.
Okay. True is melalui.
What?
Melalui. True is
Oh,
melalui.
melalui.
Yes, empowering learners berarti pemberdayaan pelajar melalui digital education. Pembelajaran digital. Okay. So, for this text, what's the vocabulary that have you not now about the definition? Ada nggak vocabulary di sini yang nggak tahu mufid artinya? Can you mention it? Kayak need
Hmm.
through, melalui.
Hmm. Choose methods. Yang ini Miss, yang the method that suit them best and review materials. Yang
Yes,
ini, yang di
ini
paragraf kedua,
the methods that suit them.
the best ya.
Ya.
Itu maksud dari katanya, Miss.
Oh, kan ini dari pertama they can choose. Mereka bisa
Ah,
memilih. Methods itu eh,
metode.
metode yang cocok. Suit itu yang cocok.
Oh,
Suit
sweet
itu
cocok.
suit itu cocok. Yang cocok dengan mereka. Best and
Ya.
review materials. Berarti eh, mereka bisa memilih eh, metode yang paling cocok gitu dan review material whenever needed atau materi yang mereka butuhkan. Kurang lebih seperti itu artinya. Apalagi,
Ya, Miss.
ya itu.
And model. Solve, Miss. Lupa,
Yes,
Miss.
yes,
Solve itu menyelesaikan ya?
yes, solve, menyelesaikan, problem solve,
Ya.
menyelesaikan masalah. How about allows?
Allows, memperbolehkan,
Yes,
mempersilahkan.
yes, good.
Ya.
Any else?
No.
No. For this word, do you know what this essential?
Essential, essential, essential. I know the meaning, but
But
nggak tahu ininya, Miss. Nggak tahu
okay,
artinya.
okay, you are familiar about the essential ya, tapi nggak tahu
Ya.
artinya. Essential is like important, important, penting, hal
Ya.
yang penting. They are essential. Berarti skill yang penting untuk karir mereka di masa depan. So, did you get it? Any else
Hmm.
or all good?
Oh, good.
All good. Okay, Miss Yani want to ask. So, what tenses that have you learned so far? Ada beberapa tenses yang udah kamu pelajari apa aja? With Miss Velia or Miss Nina?
Saya baru sampai kemarin kan baru simple present,
Ya, simple present,
eh,
simple
yang feature juga.
future,
Ya,
yes, and then
udah.
continuous is not yet,
Continuous belum ngerti, Miss.
belum ngerti, but is already.
Hmm?
Is already learned or not yet for the continuous? Udah dipelajari atau belum?
Hmm, pas Miss Nina cuma ngasih tahu doang, tapi masih belum ngerti.
Oh, okay. So for the okay, let's remember about the sentences that have you learned last week. For last week, you and I already learned about the simple sentence. Did you remember about the formula?
Miss,
Did you remember about the formula? Apakah masih ingat formulanya apa aja?
uh, what sentence?
For the simple present tenses,
Simple present
subject and then
tense, uh,
verb.
verb verb one ya.
Yes, verb one. And then don't forget to add s and es.
RES.
If the subject is he, and it. And for the nominal sentence, for the subject verb sentence kan subject plus verb one. Kalau untuk nominal sentence, there's a sentence no verb.
Ya,
Subject plus to
be.
to be. Did you remember about the to be? I.
To be.
The to
I
be.
am.
Yes.
Eh,
Yes, good.
I am.
And then
He.
he, she,
They. It.
Use a to be.
Hmm?
Use the to be.
Uh, he, she, it. Apa ya? They are, we.
They are, we are, you are. Berarti the to be-nya are. So for the she,
Oh
he,
ya,
it. The to be
is,
is.
is.
Okay. Don't forget ya. I is I am, and then she is, he is, it is, and we are, they are, and then they are. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. For now, we are going to learn about past tense. Adalah pola kalimat yang menjelaskan kegiatan yang udah berlalu, yang udah terjadi seperti kayak kemarin, minggu lalu, bulan lalu, atau tahun lalu. And then for the formula is subject plus verb to. Like this example. He watched a movie yesterday. Dia menonton sebuah film kemarin. For the explanation, I will send in the chat box. Wait,
Iya.
this. Can you read this? Can you read? Can you understand this? This formulas
Iya, iya.
past tense. Pertama verbal sentence. Subject plus verb to and then
Tuh.
object.
Ya.
Like she complete the text. And then for the nominal sentence, subject and then the to be is was or were. Kayak she was happy, they were not late. For subject I, they,
Hmm? Hmm?
we, and
Apa nih?
for the subject I, they, and then we
He.
use the to be were.
Were.
I were, they were, we were. This for the
Is
she,
it is was kan Miss?
yes, she, he, it, use, was. Don't forget to add verb to ya, not verb one. So you can add ed. Kayak watch menjadi watched. He watched a movie yesterday. This I explain in the chat box. Can you read this then? Ada kan chat box? Okay. So for the formula simple past for the verbal sentence
Subject.
and then
Verb to.
verb to. Okay, for the nominal sentence,
Nominal.
subject
Subject. Was were.
and
Eh.
yes, was were to
Eh.
be. Yeah, okay, and combined
Verb.
by noun, adjective atau adverb. Kalau misalnya nominal berarti kayak she was happy, they were not yesterday, and many else ya. Do you have any question? Maybe are you still confused? Apakah ada masih bingung?
Udah enggak sih Miss?
Udah enggak ya? Oke,
Ya.
next. Oke, because for the past tense use verb to, You can read the verb to ya. You can follow me. This. This is the verb to. You can read after me, okay? Only the English. Navigated,
Navigated,
facilitated,
facilitated,
engage,
engaged,
engage,
engaged,
collaborate,
collaborate,
demonstrate,
demonstrate,
enhance,
enhance,
promote,
promote,
empowered,
empower,
fostered,
foster,
participated,
participated,
connected,
connected,
communicated,
communicated,
evaluated,
evaluated,
develop,
develop,
implement,
implement,
adapted,
adapted,
reflect,
reflect,
encourage,
encourage,
inspired,
inspired,
support.
supported,
Okay, now it's your turn to read.
navigate,
Navigated,
facilitate,
yes,
engage, and
engage,
engaged, collaborated, demonstrated, enhanced, promoted,
yes,
em- empowered,
empowered,
empowered, fostered,
fostered,
but participate,
participate,
connected,
connected,
communicated,
communicated,
evaluate,
evaluate,
develop,
develop, okay,
implement,
implement,
adapted,
adapted,
reflect,
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 yeah,
encourage,
encourage,
inspired, supported,
inspired, inspired,
inspired,
supported,
support.
yeah, supported. So there is the verb to ya, and then this verb three. Do you have any question? Do you have any question, Mufid? Or there's something that you didn't know? Or all good? All good?
Good.
Okay. So next ya. Okay, next is time to create the sentence with sim with simple past. The first one, you should to translate into English, and then after all, you can create the sentence by yourself. Create your own
Yes.
sentence. Yes? You should to create sentence. The first one, you should translate the sentence that have already create. Misalnya sekolah
Yeah.
mempromosikan literasi digital tahun lalu. And you should to translate into English. And then after all, number 7 and number 12, it's time to you create your own sentence. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
For number 2.
Uh, sekolah promosi. Write the sentence with
Yes.
uh, number one.
Is it visible atau
Uh,
kekecilan? Kalau kayak begini.
uh, kekecilan, Miss.
Okay. Okay, like this.
Uh, Literasi digital itu apa ya?
Literasi digital berarti digital literasi.
Oh, i-
Anyway, you write in your book or in your phone?
uh, in my laptop.
Oh, in your laptop. Okay. After this, you can send in chat box ya, and then on your and the WhatsApp ya.
Yeah, yes, yeah. Uh, Miss,
Yes.
tulisannya week itu WEEK ya, Miss?
Week, week, minggu.
Hmm.
Yes. Oh yes. WEEK.
Oke. Hmm, sih. Hmm, Kelas apa, Miss?
Yes.
Kelas itu kelas ya.
Class.
Tulisannya gimana, Miss?
C
Oh,
L
ya,
A S
ya.
S.
Oh, kelas.
Class.
Yesterday. Yesterday. Five. Sebenarnya gimana, Miss?
Yes,
Konsisten.
consistent. There is in box.
With C or
Consistent
con,
with C.
con,
Consistent
ya.
with C ya. Is
Eh,
consistent.
hmm, Yes.
Yes.
Strategy. Strategi kemarin apa, Mas?
Yes.
Kalau bahasa Inggrisnya strategi kemarin.
Berarti the strategy yesterday. Strategy
Strategi.
yesterday. Don't forget to
Hmm.
add D ya. THED. The strategy yesterday.
Hmm. Six. Okay. And the number 12, Miss.
Yes.
Hmm.
Mhm. Of it, you should take a note for the number 5 and the number 6.
Huh?
For number 5, they are consistent yesterday. They are is for simple present. How about for the simple past?
Oh, they
They
was ya.
they were.
They were.
Yes, they were consistent yesterday. And for the number 6, the strategy yesterday, it's so good. It's also for the simple present. So how about with simple past? Was. The strategy yesterday was so good.
Oh, ya.
Yes.
Maaf.
for the nominal sentence to be only were and was. Okay. For the subject I, they, we, you, using were, but she, it, and then the strategy itu menggunakan was. Oke, okay. You can change it for the correct one.
Yeah. Hmm. Um, 9. Number 10. Hmm. Oke, Mas.
Yes. Okay.
Oke.
For number 7, environment enhance student. Okay, for the meaning in Indonesia. So,
What?
the translate Indonesia environment enhance students.
Lingkungan meng apa? Menjudge itu apa tadi?
Melibatkan
Iya,
pelajar.
ya.
Okay. So, for number
Oke.
8, students learn with computer last week.
Eh, apa siswa belajar dengan memakai komputer minggu lalu.
Okay. Mufid engaged
Eh,
in meeting last year.
Terlibat dalam meeting tahun lalu.
Oke, dalam pertemuan tahun lalu. Oke.
Ya,
Government promote digital literacy.
pemerintah mempromosikan literasi digital.
Oke. For number 11, I search.
As about ebook in web yesterday. Aku mencari tentang buku digital atau ebook di website kemarin.
Okay.
He learned math in a web. Dia belajar matematika di website.
Okay. Don't forget
From,
to,
harusnya from ya, Wis. Ini
yes,
yang nomor 12.
from web.
Hmm. Sebutin
Don't forget to add adverb ya, kata keterangan kayak last week, last year, yesterday.
ya.
Environment enhance students. Melibatkan students. Maybe for number 7 you can change for another for the another sentence. Can you change because the sentence is not correct. It's not bukan nggak bukan salah tapi kurang tepat for the number 7.
Oh ya, nomor saya kan
The number 7.
Miss.
Yes.
Uh, verb to read. What, Miss?
Verb to read.
Ya.
Read, but the pronunciation is read. Just read.
Hah?
Tetap read. Untuk
Oh,
untuk read itu verb 1, verb 2, verb 3-nya sama-sama read tulisannya, tapi cuman bedanya di pronunciation. Read, read. Kalau verb 2 and verb 3, sorry, pronunciation-nya itu read. But the tulisannya pada typingnya sama read.
oke, Miss. In group.
The group, okay. She read about democracy from web last night. Okay, good. Okay, Miss Jenny want to Munif guess for the sentence. Miss Jenny pengen Miss Jenny nanti ngirim kalimat dan Munif Mufid harus uh, nebak ini simple present or simple past. And then the sentence is nominal sentence or verbal sentence. Okay? Okay, can you read for the chat box for the number 1? Can you guess? This is
Simple, simple
simple
past.
present or simple past?
Simple past.
Simple past. Okay. Verb verbal sentence or nominal sentence?
Uh, verbal.
Yes. Why? Why is simple sentence
Because
and verbal?
they ada studied.
Yes, there is a study using verb
Ya.
to, and then there is verb ya. Okay, for number
Ya.
for the number 2,
Nominal sentence it the simple present. Simple ya, simple.
simple.
Eh, simple present.
Yes.
We already
Nominal
nominal sentence.
nominal
Yeah.
sentence. Because there is
Hmm?
a to be are.
Yeah.
For number 3. I was student in 2020. Are you there?
Yeah.
For number 3?
I was student in 2020. Itu anu ini simple past dan
Okay. Simple past.
nominal sentence.
Nominal sentence. Because,
Use to be.
yeah, there is to be. For number 4 and number 5.
Hmm?
Number 4, number 5.
She was a doctor before. Itu simple present juga.
Simple present.
Simple past.
Yes. And the
Nominal
number
sentence. Number simple past juga.
simple past,
Tapi
nominal.
verb sentence. Verbal.
Okay.
Verbal sentence.
Next. Next, number 6 and number 7.
6. He is smart. Simple present. But nominal sentence. They play football. Simple present. Verbal sentence.
Simple present and then verbal. Yeah.
Ya, nomor ini, nomor 7.
Yes, number 7. And number 8, number 9. I'm typing. Wait. Number 8 until number 10.
Use the internet for search.
For research.
Ini simple present juga. Simple present.
Yes.
Verbal sentence.
Verbal
Number 9, you are confident. Simple present juga, tapi apa nominal sentence?
Okay.
Because to be. Number 10, he work. Simple past and verbal sentence.
Verbal sentence, simple past and verbal.
Verbal sentence.
Okay. For the number 1, what's the meaning? For the sentence,
Hmm?
I studied English last night. For number 1.
Number 1,
In
I
Indonesia.
English.
I studied English.
I studied English last night.
So,
Number 2, we are ready.
I wanna you translate
Number,
into Indonesia. So,
oh,
yes.
aku belajar bahasa Inggris kemarin malam.
Oke, semalam. Terus, you are ready?
Tadi malam. We are ready. Kami telah siap.
Kami
I was
siap.
studying.
Oke.
I was studying.
Students. Students, not
I
students.
was students in 2020. Aku
Seorang pelajar.
siswa sejak 2020. Number 4, she was a doctor before. Dia dulunya seorang dokter. The
Oke.
teacher submitted their class like
Homework.
guru apa nih, submitted apa nih?
Submitted.
Submit
Itu
apa
submitted
ya,
tuh
mengajuk
mengumpulkan.
ya, mengumpulkan the mengumpulkan pekerjaan rumah mereka tadi malam. He
Oke.
is smart, dia pintar. Eh, eh,
They play
they play football. Mereka bermain football.
sepak
Bola.
bola.
Football. Ya bola. We use the internet for research. Kita menggunakan internet untuk mencari mencari
Penelitian. Penelitian, bukan
penelitian ya
research.
research ya.
Mm-mm.
Nomor 9, you are confident. Kamu confident, confident itu
Apa?
lupa lagi.
Percaya diri.
Hah? Dia
Percaya
percaya diri.
diri.
He work at hospital in 2020. Dia eh,
Bekerja.
bekerja di rumah sakit dari atau dari atau
Dari
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 2020.
Oke, good ya. So you all already know about the simple present and then simple past. For the simple present itu adalah kalimat yang menyatakan kejadian yang baru yang sedang terjadi.
Ya.
Kalau past tense digunakan untuk menyatakan kejadian yang sudah,
Nulis.
kan present tense itu kalimat yang menyatakan kejadian yang sedang terjadi di masa sekarang. Kalau simple past menyatakan menyatakan kejadian yang sudah terjadi di masa lalu. Ingat ya,
Ya.
kalau misalnya kayak sekarang, Mufid Mufid studies English right now atau Mufid studying English today. Kalau misalnya kemarin, berarti Mufid studied English yesterday. Did you get it?
Ya,
Kalau misalnya saya bermain bola kemarin.
I played football yesterday.
Kalau saya bermain bola hari ini.
I played I I play football this day.
I play, I play,
I play football.
yes, today. Kalau misalnya dia pintar.
He smart.
Kalau misalnya dia dulu pintar tapi sekarang enggak. Berarti
He was smart.
he was smart. Okay, good. Do you have any question?
No.
No? Did you get it? Harus diingat ya.
Ya.
Kalau misalnya menyatakan kejadian yang sekarang berarti menggunakan
Present present.
present. Kalau yang sudah terjadi.
Pas.
Ya, sebenarnya ada satu lagi tenses yang menyatakan sedang berlangsung, yang benar-benar sedang dilakukan sekarang, spesifiknya, yaitu present continuous.
News.
Ya, for the formula is subject to be
Three.
MSR and then verb
Three.
ing, not verb 3.
Of three.
Ya, misalnya you are studying with Miss Yeni. Berarti sekarang benar-benar terjadi spesifiknya, sedang terjadi
Hmm.
gitu. Kalau misalnya simple present itu zaman menyatakan sekarang, tapi nggak tahu nih lebih detailnya tuh kapan gitu. Oke, for the another tenses maybe we can learn tomorrow ya. So all good ya for this material today. All good. Do you have any question before I end the lesson? Move it.
Yes.
Nggak ada, nggak ada,
Nggak ada.
nggak ada. Udah ngerti ya.
Ya.
Oke. So yeah, thank you. for joining our lesson today. I will stop here. So yeah, have a nice day. See you tomorrow maybe. Or yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye. You may leave ya.
Hmm.